Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. I will show you how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy A14 5G using phone settings. Open the app drawer on your device. Go to settings, scroll down until find the general management option. Now tap on a general management. Again scroll at the end. You can see reset option. Tap on it. Again scroll. At the bottom you can see factory data reset option. Tap on it. Here you can see the list of deleted data from your device. It will delete all your phone data from your device. So make sure to back up your data before factory data reset your Samsung Galaxy A14. Tap on a reset. Now unlock your device. Here you can see the delete all option. When you tap on a delete all, it will delete your Samsung device to factory default setting. So ensure to back up your important data. After that, tap on a delete all. Now you can see factory reset your Samsung Galaxy device. Wait until automatically restart your phone. Here you can see reset phone. Now wait until turn on your device. It will delete all your phone data. You need to set up your Samsung A14 again, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other settings. Now wait until your phone turns on. It will take time. Now you can see the process. Now you can see the welcome screen on your Samsung device. Tap on start. Follow the on screen instruction to set up your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. That's it. Please like it, share it.